Hey guys, so this is my creation project part 2. My creation is called Gus's Doghouse. So the basic summary of it, Gus's Doghouse is a new gym in Boone that is a safe and fun place to work out. With this new concept, you can come here and do yoga or cardio with adoptable dogs of all kinds. Dogs and working out separately are great stress relievers, so put together this is the ultimate experience. This gym will include a track indoors to run, an oversized yoga studio, a weightlifting room, and an outside field for cardio with the dogs. We are going to be located on the corner across from App State's Convocation Center where the Hardys used to be. This location will make the gym easily accessible to the students on campus so they can walk over between classes to get a good workout, hang out with dogs. They can come after classes. This is also a relatively central location for all the other residents in Boone, making it convenient to get to. So what's in this gym exactly? There's an indoor track, a weight room, a lap pool, oversized yoga room for special classes, group classes, and an outdoor field for when the weather's nice. And dogs will not be allowed in the weight room or pool area for clients and dog safety. So what's the cost? A monthly membership to this gym will be $40 per person. This covers maintenance of the gym and care for the dogs. App State students will get a discounted price of just $5 a month since college is already so expensive and everybody needs a few minutes with a dog every now and then. It also encourages students to get out and get active. Entry to group classes for non-members will be donations of dog foods or other supplies to help the dogs. Adoption fees for dogs are covered for members, and it's $50 a dog for non-members. So the CSR initiative, the CSR is what this gym is really built on. We want to provide a safe place for dogs to get interaction and a chance to find a forever home, and also encourage people to get out and get active and stay fit while also having fun. We want to encourage adopting dogs by covering the adoption fee. Now more than ever, it is important to help these dogs try to slow down the amount of designer dogs being bred. So come run with the pack and find your new best friend.